me, Fazal Hussain, and with my group members Sasiullah and Mohammed Farhan. Present are project details. So the company we have visited is Yusuf Adil Audit Firm, which is originated in 2013 by Yusuf Adil. Going into its background, Sir Yusuf Adil is a person who have moved from here to Australia for his further studies, and then he worked there for like 5 to 10 years, 5 to 7 years. Then he came back and decided to run his own company, and then he formed this beautiful audit firm. You must visit. It's very beautiful from inside. It has 5 departments. One is HR, second is audit, third is finance, tax, and one has. So we have taken interview from the tax department's manager, Mr. Nirmal, who has completed his degree through ACCA from ICAP Institute, and now he is working as a manager in the company. So moving further, we asked him some questions. So starting from what hardships did he face? So he replied that I didn't face any hardship because my whole family is working in this background and I have gotten some knowledge from them. But initially I was a medical student, so I faced some difficulties through my phase one because I was coming from medical background and I have to switch to math. Yes, Prabhu. So I switched to maths and it gave me some difficulties because it was my starting into maths and I was coming from biology. Furthermore, he said that when I came here, I worked hard and it was many others were working before me, so they were applicable for the manager's post, but they saw my skills, my hard work, my dedication, and they gave me this post. Moving further, I asked him that how do you manage your workers and your daily-to-day tasks? He said that coming on time is the key. You come on time, you spend time with your workers, you look on them, you ask them, you check their daily task and then you uh, assess their work and then you go and read the articles coming daily for the text and daily magazines which are written on text, so you get some more knowledge. And furthermore, I asked a question about the softwares that is used. So for the softwares, Farhan will more clarify you about that.
This is the short video which is not working. Can I play that?
Yes, yes, definitely.
This will only run for 1 minute.
This is not working?
It is not working right now.
How?
The
And
video.
why? It's your own laptop, right?
Yes.
How is that possible that it's not working? Have you uploaded on GCR?
Unsupported recording settings.
Have you uploaded it?
Video upload haven't uploaded.
तीनों में से किसी ने नहीं की तो वीडियो अपलोडेड नहीं है तो मेरे पास
Main video, it's a 30-second clip that required for the
शो मी द
video.
मेन वीडियो
Video is not working.
How will I see it if not it's not working? If it's not uploaded, if it's not working, how would I see it?
It's just a part of the whole internship.
Where is the whole interview? Show me that.
That's uploaded on GCR.
Show me that on VCR. No, I don't want to see the YouTube channel. Show me the video that you have conducted. Open VCR. Yes. Go to
ये देखो
Go to class log.
Top video.
नीचे project videos. Yes, open that. Yeah, open this one.
Speaker.
There is no video evidence.
So it's basically voiceover on that DVD, and after that,
Show me where you are conducting the interview. There are no subtitles.
yes.
There are no subtitles. I have instructed them to be added. So you did not interview any of the CS specialists, did you?
No,
You did not interview any of the computer science specialists. People related to accounting and finance and tax you have mentioned, right? Not someone from your own field. Then what is the learning and point of it? I mean, it's not related, that it would not benefit you in future.
can,
How?
because they also use softwares, they also have.
But they use it for other purposes, not for the purpose that you would be having in future.
We are learning here, we get to know what they are using in their offices.
Okay, open the PPT now. Yes, continue please. Yes, continue please.
So the software we have discussed that NetSuite in the company. What do 61% of companies that went public in the last decade have in common? The answer is they were using NetSuite. The answer is they were using NetSuite. In this conversation, I am going to explain what NetSuite is actually does. After that, I will tell you why and how NetSuite, how companies implement NetSuite, and after that, I will show you three major essential user flows in NetSuite. नहीं बोला मैंने
Why is that? Did you prepare it?
PPT well prepared.
No, no, the presentation. Yes, go on. You know about
Yes.
that, right? So explain it in your own words. Go on.
Okay. Let's start. What do 61% of companies that went public in the last decade have in common? Answer is they were using NetSuite. In today's presentation, I am going to explain what NetSuite actually does. After that, I will tell you how and why companies implement NetSuite. And also I will tell you the three essential user flows of NetSuite. So let's dive in. By the way, if you don't know me, I am Mohammad Khan. Currently Mohammad Ali Jinnah University studying in Bachelor's of Computer Science. So what is
You cannot perform? ठीक है. Do your part. Yes, Haseeb, quickly. Uh, these PPTs are not made. They calculate. क्या देखा हुआ है यहाँ पर? Write a significant observation on the results here. You people did not prepare the presentation. Am I right? Go back to the slides. Again, go back. Go back. He was actually making the PPT while he was coming, and he did not prepare. Am I right? Have you prepared your part?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you want to deliver? Aseem, continue speaking quickly.
The question from the HR, how AI can play a vital role. He tell me about that. Automated 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 process. AI can automatic repetitive and time consuming such tasks such as
Basically, questions that are that will AI take on these managing tasks and all? So they reply that AI cannot take over the jobs because we have to assess mentality of a person if someone is working. It is not possible for AI to access the mentality of any person. And there are many other things like their behavior, their coming and going and everything. So it was his question, and the other question that he asked about to manager that what is the difference between what makes you work for like with dedication. He said that when you love the work you do, you get obsessed with that and you work for it without thinking of the time, and you work for it. And the other thing that we asked the manager that the other thing that we asked the manager that what is the difference between what how do you manage the diversity in your office? And he replied that we make groups and make them work together to grow some teamwork and some know time to each other. They get to know each other and they work with each other in groups and manage their tasks, and they provide it to the manager, and then he assesses their work and then it's done. Now, Aram?
Okay, you have probably heard of NetSuite being referred to as an ERP, ERP Enterprise Resource Planning Software. Basically, ERP is a big database which which keep track of all the things a business does, from sales to marketing to hiring to procurement activity or operations. In there, we have you can store pretty much any type of data in NetSuite, and that data is categorized into three types. Number one is entities. For this, allow you to store things like people, vendors, and partners and employees. And the number segment is items. This allows you to store things like the good that you're buying or selling. The number three is transaction. This store things like invoices, bills, opportunities, and so on. The three ways of bringing data into NetSuite are number one is integrated directly into third-party system like Shopify or Shopify and Salesforce, or having the data entered manually by your employees when they fill NetSuite forms. And number three is uploading the data as CSV. Once you have your data in your database, people can access to data and do their jobs. They can use it to analyze. They can use it to analyze the profitability of different product line, and chase and collect invoices. You can just run report to see how your company is doing against its own KPIs. KPIs means key performance indicators, which used to measure performance and allow us to see our risk management. Now after that, when to implement ERP, especially NetSuite, are comprehensive system that takes multiple months to implement. No business comes with an ERP right now. When companies are smaller, they use typically small user. They typically use entry-level software like QuickBooks, Xero, alongside Spreadsheet. As the companies grow and become bigger, and become more complex, these companies need these systems become insufficient, and more information has to be managed manually, and these creating inefficiencies. NetSuite provides a solution for integrating and automating data management, tracking real-time information, and streamlining business purposes. Okay, the three nature. Now let's look at the three essential user flows. The number one is dashboard. The most universally used feature in NetSuite is the dashboard. You can create dashboard for different people in your company, and based on their rules. Finance sales dashboard displays bills to pay and invoices to collect from customers. Sales team dashboard provides an overview of their pipeline contracts, customers, and so on. After that, we have another inventory management. Companies that sell physical products, NetSuite provides and handles inventory replenishment. Number one is if when you are going out of an item, the NetSuite creates a task. You review the task and initiate a purchase order. The supervisor reviews it and approves a purchase order. After that, NetSuite automatically emails your preferred vendor and then vendor with your order and initiate a payment once the order is fulfilled. And then we have a track order and payments. NetSuite makes it easy to track customer order and payment. For that, it will create a sell order form, and after that, it convert it into an invoice. This invoice sent to the customer, it automatically by NetSuite, and after that, if the customer don't pay immediately, the NetSuite creates dashboard for outstanding invoices and their duration. So the company, so helping your team to track the payments. That's the NetSuite whole processes and uses that I described. Now after that, it is its responsibility to further continue this. Thank you.
I have from the question from HR. How AI can play a vital role? And he answered me that auto, first of all, automated process. AI can automatic, repetitive, and time-consuming tasks, and such such as data entry, invoice invoice processing, and financial reconciliation, uh, and reducing human error. And second was the predictive analysis. AI, AI algorithm can analyze historical data to forecast future trends, demand, and financial performance. Uh, Third was fraud detection. AI can detect the anomalies and patterns. Uh, Anomalies and patterns indicative frauded activities. The help business prevent financial losses and maintain security. That's all.
These are the references that we need from this. The number one is NetSuite official website for how the product is worked, and basically it is owned by Oracle right now. You know about the Oracle for sure. It is the biggest competitor of SAP. And we have a number two reference in which we have a documentation of Oracle for ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. And then we have a Yusuf Adil website where we take all the information as well about the people. And then Microsoft also offer a ERP software that Dynamics 365. We review it that so we can understand how better NetSuite is from the Dynamics 365.
Open the previous slide, please.
Open the
Previous slide. यहाँ पे क्या है?
well basically I will not tag over there. I have sent this PPT to him to update his slides, but he didn't upload it. I don't know why. And I have completed my all work. You are seeing from this. This is my work starting this ERP and data types, our use cases, when to implement, and the essential elements.
मैंने विजय संवाद और रात में मैंने इनको भेज दी थी पीपीटी अपनी जो बनाई हुई थी तो
हाँ,
उन्होंने
मुझे कहाँ है? Yes, you. Where is your part?
Then I will ask us to summarize the victory.
I just all this thing. Report भी मैंने बनाई, PPT भी मैंने बनाई, proposal भी मैंने बनाई.
अब ये आप फिर WhatsApp पर
कितने मिनट की हो गई? यार जारी है.
हाँ जरूरत नहीं है.
आपने सुबह दिन दे रहे 11 बजे 8
बस करना.